It doesn't matter how talented or hardworking you are. Sometimes, things just won't go your way. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected things happen. We all get hurt emotionally and spiritually at times. Your business might struggle, your heart might be broken, or you might feel financially broke. You can feel broken physically, mentally, or emotionally, and these experiences will leave a mark. But that mark can be one of victory or defeat, depending on how you handle it. It's not about what you go through, but who you listen to. Right now, you might be stuck between two voices, one of wisdom and one of worry, one of gratitude and one of complaining, one of blame and one of faith. Every time you break in some way, it's a chance to either give up or get stronger, smarter, tougher, and more resilient. You need to find a reason to keep going. If you can find that reason, you can get through anything because you are human. And humans have the strength to overcome their challenges if they decide to push through them. Everyone faces hardships, but only the strong get through them. Your fight isn't over. It's just beginning. You have the chance to show what you're made of. Look at whatever challenge you're facing and tell yourself, I can beat it. I will beat it. I must beat it. You have a family to live for, and your life isn't over yet. There are some things in life that don't require a degree, money, or support. Sometimes, you just need to tell yourself, I'm going to get through this, no matter what happens. Nothing can stop you except yourself. No situation, circumstance, or adversity should define your life. Don't let your circumstances decide who you are. Don't retreat or run. Stand firm in what you believe and what you represent. Let everyone know what you stand for. Be encouraged that no matter what you're facing, whether it's a broken marriage, repeated failures, or any struggle, you have a spirit inside you that's greater than any challenge. Fight through whatever battle you're facing, whether it's illness, academic challenges, divorce, or career struggles. At the end of the fight, victory will come. As you rise from tough times and become who you're meant to be, you'll see that in the act of standing up and continuing to fight, you become and remain unbroken. You've just finished listening to the show. To view other episodes, please click on the playlist icon currently displayed on the screen. Thank you.